Jason and Ashley Ince were in Wild Rose Ranch. Most memorable part of our home buying experience was really just the ease and communication between Tabor and also Stride Mortgage. Why did we pick Homes by Tabor? Really just the build quality. We're familiar with the reputation. I have to steal your motto about how it's overbuilt, and we really wanted this will be our forever home, and we wanted a good product.
Yeah, and the features that overbuilt features that I like, and also a lot of good things about it with other buyers before. And one of our realtors, and she also bought the table homes too. Said a lot of good things about it too.
So just reputation. We have 2 children. We were kind of outgrowing our previous home, and with the floor plan just kind of fit us perfectly. So what's my favorite feature of the house now that I've been living in it? Probably just the amount of space and open
Plan.
the open floor plan. Master bath is wonderful. The kitchen's great. Feature we appreciate more realize we would probably be the upstairs flex area. It's been a great place for their kids and us to hang out, and we also use it as an office. So it's just been a really great space. Would I recommend Homes by Tabor to family and friends? Absolutely. Just based on the experience, the buying experience, wanting experience, and just the quality of the home. We've looked at homes for quite some time, and the quality is just obvious. So I would absolutely recommend